Hey guys, welcome to the 10 C Sharp tutorial, and I am making from the UL Creative software. In this tutorial we're gonna show you the detail about the switch case statement. So the switch case statement is used to perform the action when the case statement is true. So the first thing I gotta need is to open the Visual Studio right here, and here you can see the two controls. So the first control is button control right here, and the second control is text box. You can easily drag it out from the toolbox. So first thing I gotta need is to double click on this button, and here you can see the private method that name is button dash click. In these two places statement goes here. So the first thing I gotta need is to type the switch case stand, type switch and type two parentheses right here, and these two parentheses I wanna type the name of the text box like text box 1, and I wanna type the property right here and type true braces. In these two places I want to use the case statements. So the first state case is like when the text is YouTube, this shows me a message box. I want to be a message box show, and type two parentheses right here. In these two parentheses I want to type the string right here. Yes, so by stopping the line by pressing the semicolon right here, and hit the enter key and type break statement. So the break statement is used when the case is stopped. I want to be case is stop right here and type the break statement. So the another case is when the text box or text another, this shows me a message box. I want to type the message box and type two parentheses right here. In these two parentheses I want to type the string. So by stopping the line by pressing the semicolon right here and type the break statement, stop the case state. And here you can see the switch casement, switch text box dot text. If YouTube, this shows me a message box. If the text box dot text is another, this shows me a message box. Yes, you are in YouTube. Another. So by debugging our program by pressing the F5 right here, and here you can see my form has been run. So when I type in this text box, when I type the YouTube right here, this shows me a message box. Yes, you are in YouTube. Yeah. So when I type another string right here like another, this shows me a yes, you are in another. So when I type another like the word string, because I am word not defined here, so when I click this one, it doesn't shows me the message box. You can see I am using two cases like YouTube and another. So when I type the default right here, just type default and hit the enter key. I want to type the message box. I want to be message box show, type two parentheses right in here. In these two parentheses I want to type the string. So what the string right here is, the string is, by stop the line by pressing the semicolon right here and hit the enter key. In type break statement of the fault. When I run our debug our program right here by pressing the F5, so my form has been run. So when I type another word like this one, this shows me a message box, you are not defined. Yeah. So when I type the YouTube right here, it shows me a message box. Yes, you are in YouTube. Yep. I want to use the integer right here. So first type integer, type int. I want to declare a variable like a and assign the value like 44 by stopping the line, pressing the semicolon right here, and I want to delete text box dot text because I don't want to use the text box dot text in this one. So just type the a and type the two braces right here. In these two braces I want to type the cases, like first case is use like 5 and type this one and hit the enter key. Type the message box, and I want to be a message box show like this one, and type two parentheses. In these two parentheses I'm gonna type the string by stopping the line by pressing the semicolon right here and type the break statement and hit the enter key. Type the case statement. So the second case is the 44. So I'm using the integer a is equal to 44, so this case statement is run. So type the message box. I want to be a message box show and type two parentheses right here. In these two parentheses I want to type the yes by stopping the line by pressing the semicolon right here and type break to stop the case statement. In here you can see when the a is equal to 44, this statement has run. So I want to check this one by pressing the F5 to debug our program. And in here you can see when I click the 44 right here, it shows me a message box. Yes, so if the a is equal to 55 and then I debug our program, this shows me a message box, this type form right here, and in this text box I want to type this integer like 55. This shows me a message box. Yeah, so thanks for this tutorial, thanks for watching this tutorial.